Everyone, welcome to the vlog once again. And today I'm gonna start the day by talking about the book that I am reading currently. So, in the previous vlogs, I have mentioned that I am currently reading a book. The name is Thinking Fast and Slow, but I forget to describe, I forget to summarize or something like about the book, what is the book. And the book is something like how it is based on the two systems in our brain. The first system, the system 1, system 2. The first system is the fast system that works very fast. Like when we see a friend, we recognizes him very quickly, recognizes him or her, we recognize him very quickly, and we know that okay, his name is Sakib or something. So, or when we are like, when someone asks you to what is 2 plus 2, you'll obviously say 2 plus 2 is 4 very quickly. So in these kind of things, when you are driving on a road, and when you are very familiar on a road, and you have driving the same vehicle for years, so it would be very easy, very quick. You don't have to think a lot for that. So it could be like you're doing subconsciously, and your brain is on the autopilot. So this is the system 1. And what is the system 2? System 2 is something like, it takes time. It takes some time, like when you are solving a math problem and it's difficult. It's not like 2 plus 2, it's more difficult. So you have to take, you have to, yep, you'll take time to solve that. Or maybe you are reading a book, uh, yeah, you have to understand it, and you are taking some time to obviously to understand. And these kind of things, like uh, yep, the first system is the fast system, and the second system is the slow system. And I just have read the first chapter and introduction chapter. So first one was the introduction, and the other one is first one, the first chapter. And this is it that I have, this is the summary that I have read all that. So when I read more, I'll provide more information about that, but for now, that's it. And if I talk about the time, this is 1:18 a.m. and I thought, let me work more in the night time, because in the daytime I feel very, 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 I don't know, I was very tired yesterday without doing anything. And that's why I thought, let me do as much as I can in the night time. So that's why I was practicing my English, and for 1 hour straight I was practicing my English. And after doing that, I'm here. So I thought, let me start the vlog, and let me talk about the book. So that's a very good thing that I started the vlog with the book, and I'll talk you more about more things. But for now, I have to go. This is the next day, not the next day, because the video started after 12 a.m. So this is not the next day. After I am awake. So okay, let me turn on all the lights so you can see me better. There's no need to see me better, but okay. So I'm searching for a screen recorder that can record that can control the my webcam video better than the OBS, because in OBS I am getting some problem while recording the while managing the webcam video. So I'm going to find something better than the OBS in terms of controlling the my webcam footage. So let me show you. This is the GoPro connected to my PC, and you can see that if I have to make it, like suppose that if I have to make it, this is my GoPro footage, okay, and I want to make it circle. There's no easy way to do that. And if I am on the desktop, suppose that I am on the desktop, so I don't know where my footage is, so I cannot understand if I'm working here and there's something coming here. I would not understand, I would not get that I am, like, my face is hiding something. So that's why I am searching for another screen recorder so that I can control my webcam footage better. By the way, this is 3:20 p.m. and I from the morning I did not do anything. I have fever, and I have fever, nothing more than that, but I don't want to do anything. I'll meet you. Okay, I'll meet you after a while. Hey, I was finding the software and I found the Descript, and I was using the Descript earlier, but I did not know about that is recording. It can also screen record, so I was not aware of that. So I saw the video, and in that video I found that I can record the video and in new layer. I mean, like, we have we will have two layers of recording. It will record the the webcam, what would I say, the webcam footage and the screen recording. It will separate both of them and you can edit them later. So it is a very, I mean, like, very handy tool. And I just have completed one pronunciation lesson, and that's a very amazing thing. Just one problem, and this is not a big problem. uh, Two problems. The first one is you'll get the logo, you have to purchase their thing. uh, you you cannot remove the logo without giving money. And the second thing, the thing that is basically the problem, 720 pixels, you cannot go more than that, and that's a very bad thing. I can handle the logo. I mean, like, if I upload with the logo, there's no problem. What it would happen? This is just a logo. I can upload it like that. What will happen? Nothing. But the 720 pixels is something that I don't like. The day has been ended. This is 11:08 p.m. and I've done a lot of the things, almost 6 hours, and some of the tasks I could not calculate, but around 6 hours. Currently, what I'm doing, I am playing the Fortnite, and after that, I don't know what would I do, but I just have ended the vlog now here, and I'll try to do something else, like, not the vlog. I'm thinking about some kind of challenge, not the vlog. I'll tell you tomorrow in that challenge. I'm thinking about a challenge where I will read a book, like 5 minutes or 5 pages or something, and I'll make some, like, I'll find the difficult words, I'll write the meaning of that word, and I'll also summarize what I have studied, what I have read, something like that. So I'm thinking about trying different kind of things to learn English, not just stuck with the same thing, like just blogging and blogging. Like, I know the vlog is a very great thing, but I'm thinking about more challenges. So I'm tomorrow I'll try to uh, mm, try to take a new challenge, and it would be a book reading and comprehending that. Also, I'll try to summarize. I think I said this. So I'll meet you tomorrow, and have a great and beautiful night and sweet dream. I'll meet you tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.